Hey, everybody. Awesome to have you here. We can see that there are already a lot of people live in here. Let's wait a few more seconds and maybe you can let me know where you guys are all from. See a lot of chats coming in here. So yeah, we're super excited here, and let us show our face. Hey, this is me. We're actually live here, and Ankit is also on camera. So Ankit, be aware you're on camera now.
Yeah, hi everyone.
But yeah, Ankit is the developer of the software that we're going to show you today. Rocket Videos, probably you've already seen a few things about it. But this is the best guy in the industry, and that's the guy that I'm working with. And it's a pleasure and it's an honor to work with him. But guys, awesome. Let's go to the slides here. I can see a lot of comments here. Seattle, US. What do we have more? Steven, Southport. We got Bernard here. Hi, Tim and Ankit. Hey, it's Tim and Ankit. Hey, Todd. Todd is also here. Good to see you here. Dean Lind. This is my first product launch webinar. Okay, that's cool. Welcome, Mark. Good to have you here. So yeah, awesome to have you guys. I'm super excited to show this to you. And let's just dive into it. We're not trying to make this a long webinar because a lot of people say, hey, stop talking, just show everything to us. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to discuss a few things and what you can do with videos, etc. So let's dive into it. And yeah, let's get started. So you see the home slide here, turn any idea into viral, jaw-dropping AI videos in seconds. And yeah, let us first go to the next slide here. Let me add my mouse here. Let us introduce ourselves. So my name is Tim Verdouw, and I'm from the Netherlands. And I'm a husband and father. So I have one daughter. She's 14 at this moment, and she's actually watching right now at this moment as well. So Anne Fleur, good to have you here. And yeah, also a lovely wife, Vidi, she's also watching. I'm a top 1% affiliate marketer. I could have never dreamt of that. I started like 8 years ago, and here I am now launching my own product with Ankit. And I couldn't believe that if you told me that 8 years ago. So I have a passion for playing golf. Are there more people here that love to play golf? You can let me know in the comments, but that's my favorite hobby. If I'm not doing any marketing, you can find me on the golf course here. And yeah, second of all, my second love is software products. I simply love software products. I like software products. I review software products, as many of you know. I love to review them. So that's what I do. And yeah, this is my partner. You already saw him on camera. This is Ankit Mehta, and he's my main partner. And he's 10 years in the business. He's a product developer. His wife is also a product developer. They develop themselves. They have a whole team of developers working on products, and he has had multiple successful product launches like Rocket Clips. Maybe you know that product. That's our previous product. And that's also why we created Rocket Videos, because people ask, hey, with Rocket Clips, you need existing videos. How can we create videos from scratch? And that's what we're going to show you today, how you can do that. He created FOMO clips, Restory, Redub, voice motions, GPT videos. So it's in the video market, and he has a passion for technology. You can see that in the product, and I think you will be impressed if you're going to see what we're going to show you today. And he loves watching movies. Who doesn't love that? But that's what he's doing when he's not programming. He's watching movies with his wife, Anita. And yeah, he loves to create his own software products. And that's what you will see today. So that's enough about us. That's the perfect match. I love software. He loves to develop software. We both love it, and that's how we can create beautiful products together. So we made something special, and we can't wait to tell you about it. So how amazing would it be if you could tell an AI your simple idea, and then you get a done for you style video, which is perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, etc. And videos that shine. And these videos are not moving. I'm going to show you moving videos a little later, but you can get an idea of the type of videos that you can create with Rocket Videos. And we're going to show you live examples. We're going to show a live demo as well. So it's not pre-recorded. We're just going live through it. You can give your IDs, and we're going to create it on the fly so that you can see how this works. And with Rocket Videos, you can create videos in any category. So as you can see here, these are all different styles. So you could do 3D videos. You could do, you see this here as well, like a lipstick commercial. You could do like, how do you call something like that? A documentary, is that how you say it? Sometimes I'm struggling with my words, excuse me for that, but I'm still Dutch, still have to learn a lot. But all these different types of videos is what you can create with what we're going to show you today. And you can also sell it to clients for $500+ with commercial rights. If you could get that, would that be awesome if you could get your hands on a software that is able to create that and do that for you. But maybe you say, okay, how can I make money with videos? There are multiple ways how you can make money with videos. And I've done it myself. I've been, actually before I became an affiliate marketer, I was into video marketing. I had my own video company and I sold to local businesses. And also the trailer video, maybe some of you have already seen the trailer video. I created it myself. So that's not something that we outsourced. It's what I did in a business before. So if you talk about video, I have my own video company, and that's why I love video products as well. So you can sell videos to local businesses. You can create commercials, for example, for their products or different types of videos that you can create for them. You can offer them as a short form video bundles, like you say, hey, we can offer bundles to you. You can get bundles for us, and you create bundles for them and you sell them for a specific price. You could promote affiliate products through video marketing. You can run faceless YouTube channels, and that's also something that I'm gonna show you today. Some very cool channels, and you can see that it's very, very popular these days. AI, I don't have to tell you that, I think, but AI is super hot these days, and we're gonna show you some channels as well. And I'm also gonna show you how you can launch your own video agency, actually white label. I'm already revealing a secret here, but we're going to offer you white label to our software as well. And I think this is pretty unique. There are not many product owners who actually give out white label rights to their product, but we're going to do it today for you here on this webinar. So AI videos are hot, and these are just screenshots that I took from YouTube. These are AI channels that have become very, very big just by uploading AI videos. And let me show you something cool. And here are some other channels that grew super fast using AI videos. And some channels even are in the millions of subscribers simply by having faceless channels. So let me show you a few examples on YouTube, and I'm actually going to open a file here that you can see here. Here's successful AI channels like this one. This one has 157K subscribers here. You can see that here. And this is just a faceless channel, as you can see here. So when you go to shorts here, this is created by AI, and this is super hot. Look at this, and let me see if I can get my mouse on here. But here you can see this 157K subscribers. They have all different kind of videos, and I can show you something. So let me just play one here, bullying. Let me show you this one.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who enjoyed bullying her classmates. She liked to throw bits of food and paper balls at them. No one dared tell the teachers because they knew it would only get worse.
So you can see these types of videos. They're like image videos, but they are moving. They're realistic. Well, they're not realistic because you can see this is cartoon, but you can see they're moving, and they've become very, very popular, these channels. And let me show you a few more so you can see these channels. This is a little smaller channel. This is 17,000 subscribers here. Also an AI channel with shorts here that they've created here. Also all created with AI. And I can show you many channels. You should copy this list so that you can see all these channels. But let me quickly open a few so that you can see them here. And let me show them here. So this is another one. This one has, look at this. This is 1.6 million subscribers here from these short videos, as you can see here. These are very captivating stories. People love to watch these types of videos. This is another one, like anime. Here, this has 486,000 subscribers just from anime type videos. We got other ones here. So this is Lumen. Lumen's lessons here, 64,000. This is more like real human. It's not like the 3D cartoon, but you get videos like this. Let me show you.
Two families lived nearby. One family was constantly fighting while the other one lived quietly and friendly. One day, feeling jealous about how nice...
Well, you get the idea, right? A story is being created here. People love to watch these videos. And this is how you can create, this is not how you can do it, but this is how they use AI videos to build their channels. And yeah, it's super hot these days, as you can see. So let me see. Turn a simple idea into a Hollywood style video. How would you like to, if you could do that? Simple idea, if you had a tool that could do this. You have an idea, you have a tool, you tell that idea, and you show it to the tool, and the tool will create it for you. Something that writes scripts, adds voices, adds music, adds effects, captions automatically. Everything done for you. How would you like that? That would be cool, right? Like having a full production team inside one smart tool. The problem is, you see, when you see a lot of tools, what you have is you can create a video. You can create a video of 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds, and that's it, right? But what we have built here is something completely from beginning till end, or it's from beginning till end. It's mirrored here. You can do that with the product that we're having for you here, which is called Rocket Videos. Let me introduce you to Rocket Videos. And this product does all the work for you. You have your ID, and then Rocket Videos will write the script for you, will create the voiceover for you, will add the music for you, will add the captions, etc. So let me show you a short teaser video in case you haven't seen it yet, in case you just joined the webinar now, haven't seen anything. Let me show you a short teaser so that you can see what Rocket Videos is all about. Here we go. Who did like the video? Let me know in the comments. Oh, it's playing again. Who liked what he saw so far in this short teaser video? And guys, I see a lot of questions coming through. We're going to do a Q&A at the end of this webinar. When we show the demo, etc., we're gonna show it. We're gonna discuss all the questions you have. So every question will be answered. Don't worry about that. We just want to go over this webinar, show the product, and for people that like to get their hands on it, that they can get their hands on it quickly. And then if you have questions, we'll dive deeper into it as well. So yeah. All right, next one. All it takes is 3 simple steps. So if you want to create videos with Rocket Videos, it is just 3 simple steps. The first step is you need to have an ID. Imagine and enter any prompt. So you could basically, if you have a story in mind, like a little boy hunting for a treasure in Egypt, you simply type that into the engine, and that's the first step. Or you could have anything. I mean, this is a story, but you could also say, I want to have a tutorial on how to make ice cream. That's what I did with a video, for example. I created an ice cream tutorial. Or maybe you want to create a documentary. You can do that as well. You simply type your ID in the prompt and you choose what you would like to create. And then step 2, what will be done is there will be a script created for you and a storyboard will be created. So you see a full storyboard that's being created, which you can customize yourself. Now, the first storyboard will be created from images, but what you can do with these images is you can make them a video from an existing image. You can decide which image you would like to render as a video as well. But you'll get a complete storyboard that you can modify yourself. So here you can see the story about the baby Jesus here. It's being created from the start here till finish. And you can modify it. You can add your own voices to it. You can add multiple scenes to it, or if something is missing, you can add that as well. It's super, super flexible. And all you need is your imagination to create those videos. So yeah, and the next thing what you can do is you can export a profit. So you can export this in multiple format. You could do this in widescreen. You can do this in vertical format. You could do this in square format for Instagram, etc. Whatever you prefer, you simply export the videos, and it will be created for you. So Rocket Videos handles everything for you. It's going to handle the script for you. It's going to handle the voiceovers for you. And you got many to choose from. I'm going to show you that. It's going to create the visuals for you. It's going to add animations to the video for you. It's going to add the music. You can choose from a library of music and the subtitles. These are crazy. There's no other platform that gives you the flexibility in subtitles the way we do this. So the best part of all, you don't need to be a techie. Anyone that can come up with an idea is able to create videos. And that's the cool thing about Rocket Videos. So all you need is an idea, and then Rocket Videos will do the rest for you. So let me show you some of the powerful features. So I like to go over the features manually instead of showing it in the app because I don't want to forget anything. So let me show you some of the features here. So here, it starts a bit with the storyboard like I just told you. So you come up with an idea, and this is how you see it. Like, this is a spy movie in Paris. Did you see that? They type in a spy movie in Paris here, like this spy movie based in Paris, and it's going to create the storyboard for you. And then the second thing that we are offering is character design. Now, this is a very cool feature because you can fully customize your characters. Rocket Videos will create a character for your story, but you can modify that character. If you want to say this character needs to have glasses, you can have that character have glasses. If you want this character to have a hat, it's going to be a hat. If you want him to wear a suit, it's going to wear a suit for you. And the cool thing is that these characters, you can use them consistently throughout your story. So that's the next thing that we offer is consistent characters. There are other tools out there that you probably can create videos, but the thing is, you want to have consistent characters in your story. If you create a story about a girl with blonde hair, you want to have the girl with the blonde hair looking the same all the time in your videos, right? And that's what we're offering. We're offering consistent characters. And you can see that here. This is a consistent character in the spy movie. Do you see that they're all the same? This is the same woman in the story. And that's what you can do with Rocket Videos. Consistent characters over every frame that you can create with Rocket Videos. And then also, we have an animation sequence generator. So you can produce smooth, dynamic animation sequences with zero effort. It creates those transitions, these animations between the videos that you add to your timeline. And by the way, everything that you're seeing right here has been created with Rocket Videos. Like this video that you're seeing right here, this has been created with Rocket Videos. And all the examples that we're using are real. If you're wondering, hey, if you see something on the sales page, it's created by Rocket Videos. So that's good for you to know that you can create the same things that you're seeing right here. Next thing that we have is an AI image generator. And that's basically how our product works. It starts with a storyboard and an image generator. So first, your story will be based on images, and then your images become video. So here's a woman in a red cloak. You can see that here. There is the woman. And this is how you generate the stories. You can generate extra images, etc., to your story. We also have a shot angle editor. So that means that you can decide how you want your shot to be? Do you want, for example, here a bird's eye from the top? Or maybe you want to have a close-up from your scene, or maybe an extreme close-up. You can decide how you would like your videos to look like by simply selecting the type of shot that you want to use. And then what I already told you, the video motion engine. So this was a picture before, but as you can see, it's now a video rendered from an image. And that's what you can do. You first create the storyboard and then you render your videos from the images, or you go by images itself. It's totally depending on how you would like to create your videos. And then also, when the storyboard has been created, sometimes AI makes mistakes, right? Or it creates something that you do not want to have in your scene. So for example, here we have the object removal tool. So you see this duck here. You can open any photo in the editor and you can select anything you have on the screen and it will remove it for you so that you can make the video look how you would like to make it look like. And we also have AI object find and replace. So for example, this was an image that was generated, but now we want to have a red cowboy hat. And look at this. It's changing the hat, a round cap, to a cowboy hat. So we can do all of that. Someone says, no, not the ducky. Keep the duck. You can keep the duck. All right, AI generated fill and editing as well. So what you also can do is, let's say you have a scene here with this cute little dog here. Now, let's say you want to create someone a birthday video. You can simply say, add a birthday hat here. You type that, add a birthday hat, and look at this. It's going to add a birthday hat to this sweet, cute dog. So that's also possible with Rocket Videos. And then you can create different types of videos. I already told you that, but you can create promo videos. This is one of Batman. And remind me that I'm going to show you the demo of Batman as well, because we created this video inside of Rocket Videos. You can create stories. You can create pitches. You can do tutorials like a smoothie tutorial or a realty video or an explainer video about SEO, stuff like that. You simply select that and it will do it for you. And also we have style presets. So when you create a video, you can decide what kind of video you would like to create. Do you want to have a cinematic video, for example? Then you select here the cinematic option. Or maybe you want to have something that's more photo-based, realistic. Then you choose this option. Or maybe you want to do something like 3D cartoon, like Disney type of videos. Then you simply select this. So you have the different options here. And then we have the camera movement controller, which will create scenes like this that you're seeing right here that you can add to your videos. And also we have surrounding location control like you're seeing here. So this is an image, but you can say, hey, I want to have neon signs and passing cars. Look at this. It changes this to a neon scene, completely different style of video that it is going to be. And also, this is very powerful as well, character dialogues. So you could make every character, you can add a voiceover to each character here. So in this case, you can see this is Jane, and you can say here, it's all about capturing that raw emotion. That's what she's going to say. And you can change the voice of Jane. You can add narrators to your videos. You can do narrators and also characters. So you see that here at the top. So this is the narrator here for the story. And then we also have the character that's going to say something in your video. And it's totally up to you if you want to use this with characters or if you only want to have a narrator to your video. That's totally up to you. And then here's the cool thing. I already told you that we have 5 animated subtitle styles. So you can choose between these different styles of subtitles, but you can also modify these captions as well. You can give them any color you like. You can have background colors. You can let them pop up the active words. You can have active words backgrounds, stuff like that. It's mind-blowing, the possibilities with this subtitle creator that we're also adding to this editor, because when your video is ready, when your storyboard is finished, you can edit the storyboard in the video editor at the end as well. So we have cinematic transition presets. There are some very cool ones as well, where you can decide how you want the one scene to go into another. Like we go from this scene here that you're seeing here on the left side, and then it goes to the other scene here. You can decide what kind of transitions you want to have between those scenes. And Who's ready for the demo? Who's ready to show a live demo how this software works? And let me show you this demo that's on this page, and then we just dive into it. And we're going to create a story together, a video together with you guys. You can come up with ideas. But let me show you this video, and then let's dive into the application and show it to you. It's Tim here, and check this out. Rocket Videos, where you can create full-blown videos by typing a prompt, selecting the type of video that you like to have. And once you've done that, check this out. It will create an outline for you. It will show you the characters. You can change the outline. And once you're satisfied, you simply continue to the next screen where you have a storyboard where you can modify everything. You can add voices to it. But even better, look at this. When you have an image and you want to re-render it, simply change the prompt and it will create another image for you. Want to change things on the image or remove objects? Simply open the editor where you can remove objects. Or maybe you want to add an object to a specific scene. But here's the coolest part. Check this out. When you have an image, you simply click on Generate Video, and it will generate a video from the image, making your videos come to life. And once you're satisfied, once you've chosen one of the hundreds of voices that we have for you, once everything is ready, check this out. Here you will have the option to add captions to your videos. You can choose the format of video that you want to use. You can add sound effects, video effects, and more, all in this editor. And that's just a short overview of what Rocket Videos is capable of. Now, who liked what he saw? Oh, let me go to the next slide here. Who likes what he saw so far? Who's ready for a live demo? Just let me know in the chat if you're ready for the live demo, and I'm going to switch my screen. Are you guys still here? Very impressed, very good, awesome, smart. Again, Travis, we're gonna do the questions at the end. But yeah, let's just dive into it, guys, and let me show you a live demo. And this is the actual app. This is Rocket Videos that you're seeing right here. And these are all the projects that I've created inside Rocket Clips and Rocket Videos. And look at this, how cool this is. So this is each story. Look at this. For each story, we create these beautiful thumbs here that you can see here. Does that look good? I mean, I'm proud of this. This is Ankit's idea, and he's the developer, but he's great at design as well. And I'm so proud of him, how he created this app, and this looks so good. This is the project, but when you go to your home screen, this is the cool thing, guys. When you go to the home screen, you can actually see videos that have been created. Look at this. This video has been created by someone else. This is created by Deep Papa. Look at this. This is a video that's been created by him. And you can see here, this is by David Mills here, the video created by David Mills here. So you can decide if you want to have your videos to be public or if you want to hide your videos, but you can see them here on the screen, what other users are creating with Rocket Videos so that you can get ideas from this as well. And we thought this was a super cool idea, so you can get inspiration from others as well. So we got your projects here, and also we got all your media. So everything that you generate here will also be stored. These are all the media that have been created inside of your account. You can download this here, etc. But let's go to the projects and let me create a project with you. So let's create a new project and with a new ID. So what kind of story should I create? What kind of, do you guys have ideas what we can create? So create a video about, that's what I said. If you have an ID, we can create it with Rocket Videos. So let me see if you guys have ID. An ID, you keep saying ID. I have an ID, is that not correct? I don't see anything. Oh, I can, Valerie, what is, let me see here. Valerie, what's that mean, Valerie? Let me copy this. Let me do this here. So this is one of the comments here. Riding a dragon. So let's generate, and here we can choose the story. So when you click on story, you could decide what kind of video you'd like to create. So let's say we go with story because this is story based, right? And then here at the right side, you can say what type of story. So I think this should be a cartoon style of video, right? So let's do that. And then you can choose the voice. So you could choose the different languages. And as you can see, many languages are supported in here. And you can decide if you want to include characters or not. So if you do a documentary, you probably don't want to have characters, but in this case, we like to have characters. So we simply click on generate here, and let's generate the story. Pronounce ID. Yeah, sorry guys. Like I said, I'm not a native speaker, so bear with me, forgive me. I hope you guys can follow me. So here we can see hook close up Valerie. Here you can see the outline of the story. So you can see a content outline. And let me see what she has here. So wide shot, the majestic dragon scales sparkling as it soars, breathtaking. So I hope it created the dragon as well in this case. And then you also have the option here to give special instructions. So we could say, let's say, make sure there is a dragon in the story. And also, you can also say, for example, if you don't want to have on-screen, no on-screen dialogues, you can type it as well. So you give your instructions in here. You can add new scenes as well if you'd like to. And you can also modify. You can click on this pencil if you're not satisfied. And you can also modify this character here. So if you will say, hey, I want to have with wings, but and black glasses. Let's see if we can make this. Now we can save and regenerate the image, and she should get black glasses as well. You see, there you have her with black glasses. You change the character here. You can add extra characters as well. So we could create a dragon, but I trust there is a dragon in the story. So we go to the next step here, where it's going to create the storyboard for us. And I see here the multiple story requests. We can do some others later as well. We just go quickly over the app so that you can see how it works. So now you can see it's generating the story for you. And basically what you see here, these are the different scenes that you just saw here. So here you can see her riding the dragon here. And you can see here, what you're seeing here is the image prompt that you're seeing. So Valerie, and this is how we keep the character consistent, because we do add Valerie here and grips the dragon. So this is how you create the image. And if you like to regenerate the image, you can do that as well. And it generates a new image for you. And here you can see the narrator here telling about the story. So if you want to change the narrator here, you have the narrator at the right side. You can click on this pencil, and that brings you to all the voices that we have inside here. So let me show you a few voices. You can also make voices favorite. I did that, so I'm going to choose my favorite voices. Listen to some of these voices.
The Matrix series is a classic sci-fi action franchise that explores the themes of reality.
How do you think this voice sounds? Listen to these.
Feel the zest of the tropics. Mix pineapple juice, coconut water.
I mean, these sounds great, right? These are not the robotic sounds that you get in most apps. These are really good sounds.
If you can't find the information, you may want to consider contacting your state's insurance department.
Here's another one, Davis.
He waved to acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
And here's another one.
Cloth masks are most effective at filtering out larger droplets.
I really like this voice, Davis.
The mountaintop was Paul's escape, the city a distant memory below. Are you listening?
So you can take any voice you'd like here. You simply select voice, and this is the voice of the narrator. Now, let's say you also want to have Valerie, or I don't know if that's her name, Valkyrie, or Valkyrie. You can give the name for her as well. So you can decide here, you can click on the same pencil, and now you can say, okay, I'm going to change the voice for her. And I don't know if there is a voice because we didn't ask to have her a voice, but you can do the same thing. So you can say, okay, we're going to take this voice.
Cloth masks are most effective.
You can take that voice for her. So everywhere in your video here, where there is a voice, here's the narrator, but you can also say, I want to add another voice as well. So you could say, I'm going to click here on the plus here, and you can say, I want to have her to say something as well. And you type that in here and you save and generate. So we're going to generate the voices now. So you're going to click at the right side, generate voiceover. You need to do this in order to get your voiceover. And then it will be added to your project. Now we can do more things inside here, like we can edit the media here. I'm going to show you that later for those that stick. I know that some people just don't have the time to spend hours here on a webinar. So we're going to dive deeper into it later if you'd like to. But you can do some really cool stuff with the editor yourself. And then once things are ready, you can also generate a video from the image. So let's say you want to have this image, you want to have a video from this image. You click on generate video and it will generate a video from that image. Now, I have to say that not always it goes well. Totally transparent here. Some do better than others. And that's why we also have examples on the sales page of videos that do work well. But here is the video that's being created from this image, as you can see. Now, this is a pretty cool one, right? So this is being added to the story. We can try to do the same thing for the dragon here, and that this image becomes a video as well. So you can go over each of these photos and it will render the videos for you when you click that small button. And there it is. Let's see what this creates here. So this is a little different one. I would love to see the fire coming out of him, but you can see it makes the images come to life. Now, once you're satisfied, so you can change everything. You can change the dialogue. If you're not satisfied about the narrator here, you can change that. You simply click on the pencil here, you change it, you click on save and regenerate, and it will regenerate the voice for you. But once you're finished, and I'm not going to spend too much time on this story, I'm going to show you a few done stories that we already created. You simply click on next, and that will bring you to the video editor. So here you will have the editor where you can add music to your videos. So for example, if you want to have background music, we have a whole library of background music that you can choose from. So you can also search from the library here. You are also able to upload your own music if you want to have your own background music. We have a huge library inside here that you can use with all different types of style of music that you can use here. But yeah, you can simply click it. You can listen to it. And if you want to add it, you simply click on this plus button and the music will be added to your video, as you can see here. And then you can also change the volume here of the music. So if you want to have it really loud, let's say you do a music clip, then you simply set it to full 100. But if you do it as a background music, you set it to 20, for example, because in this case, we also have a narrator here like this one. So let me play this.
The Valkyrie's eyes are filled with determination. She is ready for the adventure. The dragon's power is unmatched.
So you can see here, so when you select a scene, you can also decide what kind of transition you would like to have. So for example, I like these dynamic slides. When you have this dynamic, you simply select the slide here and you say, I want to have this to be a dynamic slide here. Let me see, where is it? The dynamic, here. And then when you play the video, look, the slide becomes dynamic here.
Valkyrie's eyes are filled with determination.
And if you want to change this, you can also say, I want to have a square video, or maybe you want to have a portrait video here. And then you can also, let me go further through the story. Let's say you want to have the dragon here. You want to have his head in here. You simply select the clip here, and then you go to media, and there you can move the dragon to position it correctly. Do you see that? So that's also an option to position your videos in the background. And yeah, that's one of the things. Another thing that you can do is you can add sound effects. So let's say you have a dragon and you want to add fire or whatever to it. I don't know if fire is the correct one, but you can do here. Look at that. And you can add that to the story, or maybe this one. You simply click on plus here, and now you've added this effect to this dragon. So when you play the video,
a breathtaking spectacle in the sky.
You hear that? And I should, in this case, this is not the correct music, but you get the idea, right? We can also get rid of the music here. Simply click the delete button and the music is gone here. But this is a whole video project, as you can see here. And so we have music, we have sounds, we have subtitles. That's the next thing. So here you can see this is one of the subtitles here, but you can change the subtitle style here. Look at this. Now it looks like this. And maybe you want to have this in pink, or maybe you want to have this in green. You see, we have all different styles available. And the cool thing is you can also modify this. When you click on customize here, and this is what I said at the beginning of this webinar, like you can change everything. You can change the font style, the weight, the size, the case here. But look at this. You can say, okay, I want to have 2 lines or I want to have 3 lines, whatever you prefer. And then you can say, I want to have it like there. in this case, we like to have one line, and we like to have it here at the bottom. And you can rotate it if you like. You can scale it if you like. And then you can also have animations, like you want to have this pop up and then the background color. Let's say we want to add the background color because we want to make sure everyone can read it. Look at this. You can change it. Want to make it red? No problem. You can do this any color. I like the black one personally, so that it stands out. And you can also set a stroke color on the font itself. Look at this. Maybe you want to make it red for the dragon here. And you could do also the active word color background. So let's pop this as green here for the words. You can do so many things. It's too much to show you, but you can see how many things you can do with this subtitle option here. Look at
Nature
this.
sways to...
And you can also let it word by word. Let me see or is that active word pop up here. Look at this.
its presence. A majestic dance of flames.
You see that? So that's all possible in the editor here. And the cool thing is, let's say you have your own video. You want to replace it. Let's say you have a completely different video. So let me open another project here that I have. So let's say, let's see if I can find that ice cream one that I created. It's a while ago that I created that one. It's just for demo purposes. It doesn't really matter. But let's say you have a campaign here. So I actually need to have one that already is rendered here. So let's take this one, edit the video. What you can do is you can take an existing video. So let's say you have this image here at the beginning. What you can do here is you can upload your own media as well. So I'm waiting for it to load. So let's say you want to replace this media for your own video. You can simply click on upload media and you can upload your own video here that is being used. So let's say, and this can be done. Let's say you're going to create a commercial for a product. Let's say you do a commercial for whatever commercial, it doesn't matter. Let's say you want to have the product, you want to have the iPhone, you really want to show the iPhone in the commercial. Then you simply take a picture or a video of your iPhone, and then you can add that directly, boom, upload it in here so that the picture of your product is real. So you create a commercial for your product, and when you need to showcase the product, you simply replace the existing media in here for your own media, and then it's showcasing the real product as well. So that's possible. And then when you're ready, you can export your video here so that you can send it to your customer. You can upload it to social media, because we also have the option here to publish this directly here to social media. So you can post it. When you click on post here, you have the option to share this directly. You can also say, I'm going to schedule this to your social media channels. There's a schedule option as well. We also have a very cool thing, and I'm going to show you that as well. But there's also a poster creator. This is also something that you're going to get here. If you poster for each story, you get a poster that's being created by Rocket Videos. For each video that you create, it creates these kind of posters for you. Let's see here, this poster here. Look at this. So you get these posters for each story as well. And once they're published, you have the option here. You can toggle visibility. If you don't want others to see your video, you can change that in here. You can download this. And if you want to redo your story, you simply open the storyboard. You can edit the video, but you can also open the storyboard again to make changes. And then you can make your changes here. Oh, this was actually the commercial, how to create ice cream, as you can see here. Now let me show you a few examples that we've created with Rocket Videos so that you can see what you can do. So I promised you to show Batman as well. And let me show you the video that we created with Rocket Videos of Batman. I hope it will load.
The city's pulse, it never quiets. Chaos, my constant shadow. This darkness is a mirror of my soul. Hope flickers but rarely ignites. The weight, ever heavy on my shoulders. Isolation, my unwanted ally. They trust me, a beacon in their storm. Every call is a reminder of the burden I bear. Protector, vigilante, where do I draw the line? Am I enough for this city? Despite the cost, I fight on, Gotham's silent guardian.
So this is one example that's being created. Now I have another example here that's created by Ray. This is one of the people that have tested the apps. Now look at this demo of
Your
a dog
pup deserves the best, and that starts with what's in their bowl. Introducing Healthy Pup, packed with real, wholesome ingredients for a healthier, happier dog. No fillers. No artificial flavors. Just pure, nutritious goodness. Why settle for ordinary when you're...
You get the idea, right? I'm not going to show them all. Here's another one, exercise.
Every new day starts this way. Commitment begins here. Every grip tells a story.
You get the idea. Here we got a face wash. You get the idea, right? You can create different kind of stories, different kind of videos.
The day begins with a golden glow. A new day, a new glow. Meet the start of your glowing day. It feels so velvety and refreshing.
And then let me show you the ice cream, and then I'm going to stop. Then we're going to show you the features that you're going to get. And for those that like to get access to it.
Is there anything more tempting than a swirl of soft, creamy perfection? All you need is fresh milk, cream, sugar, and a bottle of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is perfectly combined. This step is all about the...
So you get the idea, right, of what Rocket Videos is capable of. You've seen now how it works, how you can create these types of videos. And let me go over what you can do here, what you're going to get. So 1 second here. Let me actually check here. 1 second, guys. Let me show you what you're going to get when you get Rocket Videos today. So what we're going to offer you here is Rocket Videos. You get the front-end product, and we're gonna bundle everything together because we have Rocket Videos. Normally you purchase a product, you can purchase a product on the front end, and then we have upgrades available. Like we have well, I'm gonna show you what we have, and we combine that together and give you a huge discount. Also, because you're on the webinar, you're gonna get the best available price that nobody else will be getting that's not on the webinar. But let me go over them and let me show you what you're going to get. So you're gonna get Rocket Videos. Front-end product that allows you to create these videos. But you're also going to get the upgrade, which is the elite version. Now, what can you do with the elite version? It allows you to create unlimited projects. It allows you to post directly to Instagram, where you can schedule all of your posts directly from your dashboard. And you'll also be able to publish this directly to your Facebook pages. And then also, like I said here, this is the scheduling part. You can create longer scripts and longer characters. So the front-end products, if you want to know how long are the videos that you can create with Rocket Videos, the front-end allows you to create 5-minute videos. The upgrade that you're going to get here is going to give you 10 minutes of video that you can create here. You can create unlimited storyboards. So storyboards are these things that you can add here at the side. So you have the story here, you have the 1, you have 2, and then you can create, you can simply click on the plus, you can extend this as well. So you can create unlimited storyboard scenes as well. Plus you get unlimited video renders. So when you have created a video, you can simply click on these 3 dots here and you can re-render a video if you have recreated a video. That's included as well. Now, like I said, you're going to get 10 minutes of video rendering. Plus, with the upgrade, you also get rendering speed, which is 5 times faster for your videos. Also, what you're going to get is Rocket Videos Pro, which gives you the next thing. It's going to give you the thumbnail poster creator. Remember the poster that I just showed you? You're going to get access to those posters as well. It's going to be recreated automatically for you. Another thing that you're going to get in the Pro version is you will be able to connect your OpenAI key so that you can use the voiceovers from OpenAI as well. Now let me show them here. Let me see if I can play those here. These are the voices.
All right, let's make a video together. Start by tapping the screen to open your app, then pick a bright filter that...
So that's one of the voices. And let me see another one here.
In a realm cloaked in eternal darkness, where whispers echo through
So that's nice with the commercial of Rocket Videos in the background.
Listen up. Today's the day you rise above the noise, conquer every doubt, and seize the life you deserve.
So those
Dig
are the
deep,
voices that
feel the
are...
fire, and charge toward your dreams with unstoppable grit. Because you're stronger than you know, and nothing...
There we go. So you're going to get these voiceovers. You can connect these voices as well. Also, emotion and context aware voices are included then. we're also going to allow you to integrate your 11 Labs account. So if you know what 11 Labs is, you will be super excited about this, because you will be able to add any voice that 11 Labs offer to your Rocket Videos videos. Even your own cloned voices, etc. You can use them as well. Hollywood class pro voice actors, and you get access to the best stock footage, video footage as well. Ultimate stock video library. You're also going to get object removal tool, like I showed you, where you can remove objects. So let's say you have a scene here and you want to remove this little animal here. You simply select it and it will be removed. That's included. The object replace. So you say, I want to replace this chair here for this thing. You can do that as well for a hammock. And that's included as well. Pro caption templates. So you're going to get extra templates for the captions. You're going to get pro music and sounds as well. You're going to get pro video transition styles as well. And 5 additional team seats. So you can also work with other people together on your projects. We're also going to give you upgrade 3, which is Rocket Studio. Now, Rocket Studio is a separate product inside of Rocket Videos here. And you can access that here in Rocket Studio, where you can create AI videos here. Look at this. When I click this, I can type a prompt and I can create these videos that you saw. You can also upload your own video in here. You can also create consistent characters inside of this studio. So you can upload 4 of your own pictures and then create consistent characters of your own pictures with the different styles that you're seeing right here. Another option here is the background removal tool that we have included. Also enhance images. So if you have bad quality images, you can really spice them up with this tool. And also in Paint. So let's say you have an image and you want to create extra strawberries inside of the image. You can do that as well simply inside of Studio. You simply select an image here from your existing library, or you can upload your image. And that is all inside of Rocket Studio. That's a separate product inside of Rocket Videos that you're going to get access to as well. And then also AI image to video generator. This is what's in Studio. This is basically what I just showed you, like the image upscaler, the background remover, text-based image editor, etc. We're also going to give you access to Rocket Voices. And this allows you to clone your own voice. So basically you upload your own voice to Rocket Voices, and then you need to provide 30 seconds of your voice, and then you can clone your voice in different languages as well. With 15 seconds of sample text as well. And what we also have, and this is a very, very cool upgrade, guys. This is Rocket Videos White Label. So what this allows you to do is it gives you 25 white label licenses. And what we mean by white label is white label. This is not your app running on our domain. You can literally link this to your own domain and you can sell access to Rocket Videos. In this case, it's Rocket Videos, but you can rename it. You can upload your own logo and you can sell it as your own application. You're going to get 25 licenses that you can sell to other businesses as well. So you have your very own software business. Start an AI Rocket Clips agency in seconds. No dealing with programmers. I said we've spent 8 months creating this software, and you're going to get it for a fraction of the cost. On your own domain, full white label, with a client panel where you can add clients yourself. So that is what you're going to get. Who's excited? Who's excited about this? And you will be able to get more accounts as well. We have an additional upgrade as well. But who's excited? Who likes to get access to Rocket Videos today? I think we can share it with you. But first, let me tell you, of course, want to know the price. So I can go over slides and say, hey, normally you'll be paying a lot of money for this. You pay thousands of dollars. I'm not going to show you all those slides and simply scrolling down, because this is the page what you're also going to see. You're going to get the bundle here with everything included here. You can see this at the bottom here. And don't check out yet. The price that you're seeing right here is not what you're going to pay. Also, the coupon that you're seeing right here is not what you're going to get, because I promised if you're on this webinar, you could get a better price or you get the best price. So when you get the link, simply click on the Buy Now button here. This will bring you to the checkout where we have a few extra options. First of all, we have the Mega Bundle, which is a $127 extra. Now it's not $297. We're going to give you a discount of $50 here. So it's going to be $247. This is a one-time payment for Rocket Videos. And then we also give you the option to upgrade, which will give you 10 extra team seats. So you have 10 team members. You have 50 extra agency seats where you can manage larger products with 50 extra seats. You're also going to get 30,000 AI credits, extra credits as well. 15-minute video extension as well, where you can make your videos 15 minutes longer for bigger stories, unlimited stock media access, and commercial license for all videos and all assets that we're offering in here. So that's one of the upgrades that you can see. And another upgrade, which is very exciting, and I'm going to ask Ankit if he can show you this later in this webinar. But what we're also offering is RocketVideos AI Rocket Player. Now, this will save you hosting of Vimeo. Vimeo, you normally have to pay yearly. What you can do with Rocket Player is you can add any YouTube video to Rocket Player, and it will hide the information from YouTube, and it will play like a Vimeo video. And you have unlimited videos that you can upload here, or not upload, but that you can create inside of Rocket Player. Plus, what we're also going to give you here, let me see here. So 5 team members, but also we're going to give you 50 reseller licenses. So you can sell this player to other people for the price that you like to charge for it. And this is a $9.95. So this is when you select everything here, you simply select that button, and this here, when you select this option here, you will see that everything is being added in here to the total price. And see, hey, right now, let me check this with Ankit, because this should be a recurring if I'm correct, Ankit. Let me check here if I'm doing anything correct. Let me, by the way, unmute you if you want to say something here. Are you there, Ankit?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, it's a recurring product. Not sure why it's not showing in the.
Okay.
Because I set it as recurring. This would be 9.95 per month.
Yes, this is. I just wanted to double check. This is a $9.95 monthly, but you can sell to 50 people. You get 50 reseller licenses for only $9.95 per month. So we're going to share the bundle deal link in the chat, and also the discount coupon, because when you use discount coupon Rocket VIP, you're not going to get $40 discount, which everyone else will pay. You're going to get $50 discount. So you get the whole bundle, everything that I showed you on the page, or I'm already checked out here on the previous page, like all the Pro Elite upgrades, the voice cloner, the reseller rights, etc. You're going to get that. So Ankit, if you could drop the link in the chat, and let me also switch here so that I can add this to the chat as well. Let me switch to my slides so that I can actually go to my YouTube channel myself.
Okay, so the link should be live right on this page.
Okay.
Just a few.
Can you guys see the link? Let me confirm. You can see the link. And let me also add this here. Let me see how I can enter chat here as well, because I'm not seeing it right now. Let me see here. Yes, and we're going to answer questions as well, guys. Let me see.
Just
I'm going to see if I can. Yeah. So this should be the correct link here. Let me double check it. Go to site. Yep. So it's in the chat now as well. Let me actually, yeah. So it should be visible now. It's at the top of the chat. You can see the link now as well. And Ankit, maybe you can show Rocket Player, because they haven't seen that part yet. Are you able to show a demo of Rocket Player?
Just a minute. I'm just dropping the link and the coupon on this page.
So we're going to answer the questions, guys. We're going to answer your questions in a second, if you have any questions. But people that like to purchase can already purchase it right now. And there's a link. The link is pinned at the top right now. And you can use coupon RocketVIP on the checkout. Again, on the checkout here, make sure to add the coupon here. There, you simply type RocketVIP. Apply it here, and you will see that the price will be adapted here at the right side. You can see here the price goes to $247, and additionally, you can get an extra 50 agency seats for only $127. That's $2 something for an agency seat. That's crazy. Extra seats that you can sell here for just $2 something for each, and extra. All the extras that we're mentioning here as well. And then the Rocket Player agency, if you'd like to sell this as well, this is a super cool player that Ankit's going to show you in a minute. So
sorry for delay. Yeah.
No
let me show. Can you share my screen?
Yep. Should be. Yeah. You can see your screen.
Great. Okay, perfect. So, one sec. Yeah. So inside the Rocket Player, you just have to go to projects, and here you can create a new project. For example, these are all the existing projects. So we have embedded YouTube and Vimeo videos, but minus all the negative thing that you get with YouTube. For example, let me show. When you see this video, this is a Vimeo video and this is a YouTube video. Let me edit this one. And here you can see it's a YouTube video. We have a YouTube ID here, and it's on autoplay without the voice, because Chrome browser, the modern browser, doesn't allow autoplay. So you can play the video on auto mute here, and when somebody it plays without the YouTube branding, without the title, without the related videos. So you don't have any leaking traffic in that. And it's pure your branding. All you have to do is simply just get your embed code and add to your page. That's simple as that. So you don't have to pay monthly for Vimeo or Vistia or other video hosting platforms. You can just upload on YouTube. You get upside of that. You are getting lightning fast video streaming. You can see here, you can customize it however you want. If you want to loop the video, you want to change the action text, if you want to change the controls, for example, let me disable the autoplay. Now the controls are here. Okay, I don't want the progress bar. Okay, so the progress bar is gone here. You can rearrange these, like the volume here and anything, anyhow you want. Simple. On the branding, just use how your branding matches it. For example, the green, you can add your logo here, you can add a custom thumbnail. So it's completely a brand free player that you can use on your website, your blogs, or anywhere. Just simple save and get your embed code here. That's it.
Super cool. So you can basically take any video and
if you want to add team members, you can add from here. If you get the agency license, you can add agency users here, so they will have their own logins, and that's only for $9.95.
Super cool. Super cool, guys. So you're going to get that as well here. Let me go switch this screen here. That's the $9.95 for Rocket Player here. Some people say that the link is not working. Ankit, can you check if the page is loading? Let's Are you still there, Ankit?
I'm here. I'm just checking
Okay.
the page. The link should have been on the page already. Maybe it's some caching.
Some people say the link does not work.
Okay, it's rocketvideos.pro/bundle. And I'm trying to put the button here, but I think there's some issue. Okay.
So you should be able to visit the URL. Worked for me.
Okay, maybe YouTube is blocking for some, I think. It's asking
Yeah,
for
then
additional.
you need to go, if YouTube is blocking, you just go to the URL that's in the chat. Go to rocketvideos.pro/bundle. There you will get the page. I'm in, Bernard is in. Okay, so people, coupon code doesn't work, says someone. Let me see.
We already exceeded the limit for the first.
Oh, it could be the issue. I set it to 100. Let's change that. Let's change that so that everyone is on the webinar will be able to. Are you able to check that, Ankit?
Yeah, I'm just on that.
Okay, bear with us, guys. So yeah, let's talk about. Some people are asking about the credits. So it is a credit-based system, and I think that's the only way how we are able to maintain the app. Let me switch to me so Ankit can do his job. That's the only way how we can maintain the app, right? We cannot give you unlimited videos for forever, right? Because a server needs to be maintained. Rendering videos is costing money, so that's why we decided to do a credit-based system. You get a bunch of credits where you can create a bunch of videos for the credits, and you will also be able to get extra credits as well. What you're going to get is the credit-based system. For each image that you create, it will cost you 5 credits. And that's just how the system works. If you'd like to create a video from an image, it will cost you 100 credits, and that's how the credits work. We're going to add that on the page as well, Ankit. Am I right that we're going to do an explanation? I don't think it's there right now, right? But basically, yeah, that's how it works. So for an image, it's just 5, and for a video, it's 100 credits. And you can purchase these credits extra in the backend as well, and they don't cost a lot. But it's just for us being able to maintain an app like this. Someone says the credits was supposed to be 25,000 plus additional 30,000 credits for buying the add-on, but I'm only seeing the 30,000, not the combined. They're getting the combined. Ankit, am I correct?
Yes, definitely. The credits are totaled and summed up. For
yeah, they're summed up. So you're going to get the double Ray active. Do you have to have your own 11 Labs and OpenAI account, or does it come with your purchase? Those are the things that you need to connect yourself, Carl. This is just an extra option that we want to give to make it as flexible as possible for everyone. It's super simple to create a key. Yeah, and when you connect that key, you can use those voices as well. But you've also heard our voices. We have very good voices as well in our system that you can use. This is just additional to give you full flexibility. Not sure, Renato, what you mean. Will RocketClip customers get this as an upgrade or discount, or will need to pay separately? This is a totally separate product, Renato. This is complete different product. Like Rocket Clips is where you can import existing videos, and this is just a brand new product. It has nothing to do with Rocket Clips.
I think the button is on the page now. So if you can see it now, or you can refresh the page, so you will be able to see the buttons and the coupon code on the page where you're watching this webinar.
Okay. I'm getting a message here as well. Seems fine now. Okay. Credit pricing. Do we have this somewhere, Ankit? So they're asking for the credit pricing. Let's say they want to upgrade.
Yes, definitely. So we are charging very minimal because running these kind of apps, it costs a lot. Like for a single video, if we run it on our own GPU, it's going to cost us a lot. And since that's why we cannot keep it unlimited. So we have credit system, but that's a very minimal amount that we are charging. For example, for a basic plan that you purchase now, you can already create like 50 videos, the full-fledged videos, not 5-second clips. You can create around 30 to 50 videos with the basic plan already, and the images are even cheaper. You can create like 1,000 or 2,000 images with the basic plan. So these are very affordable, and we are trying to make it even more affordable.
Exactly. So it's not costing a lot. It's just I think it's only a good thing when a product creator charges a little bit for rendering. Otherwise, like the app needs to be maintained, and it cannot be done otherwise. Let me see other questions. Is Rocket Player a one-off? No, Rocket Player is a monthly $9.95, where you can get reseller to 50 accounts.
Sorry, it's the Rocket Player in the Mega Bundle add-on. It's 50 reseller accounts, so you can sell 50 accounts of that, and it's only for 9.95.
Yeah. I mean, you could sell it for $9.95 a month, and you have your investment back, and you can do that 50 times. I mean, this will save people a lot on apps like Vimeo. Let me see here. What's the coupon code? It's already there. It's Rocket VIP. If you guys have problem visiting, but a lot of people are visiting the page right now. So if you are not able to visit the page, please try to refresh the bundle page. It should be there. So, Ankit, how many videos can they create? Let's say they want to do the image-based videos. How many videos can they create?
Like if with the just front-end plan, even bundle, we have a lot higher credits. Like in the bundle, you get around 30,000 credits, and that doubles up with the mega bundle. So you get 60,000 credit. I'm talking about the front-end plan where you have just 5,000 credits, and in that you can create around 2,000 images, around 1,000 images, and that's equivalent to 200 videos. So for the basic plan, you can create 200 videos. So in bundle and mega bundle, you can create a lot more than that.
Yeah.
I cannot do math right now, but it's simply this.
Let me see. Yeah, it's not renewing, guys. If the credits are not renewing every month. It's just you get all the credits and you can create all these videos.
But they do not expire.
But they do not expire as well. They always stay in your account. So let me see if I can find something here. Do you have an overview, Ankit, of the credits if they want to purchase extra credits?
Yeah, definitely. Inside the app, you can see the credits. Let me see if I can show you.
I'm trying to get there, but can you show it to us?
Yeah, definitely. Let me show the page inside the app. So
let me know when you're ready, when I can share your screen.
Yeah, my screen is on.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, inside the app, you can create like for as low as $10, and for 20, 50, the discount increases with the price, but these are the decent amount that you can purchase. So for $50, you can purchase 15,000 credits already. You get more when you purchase it during the launch period. Like with the funnel, you're getting a lot more credits than inside the app purchase.
Yeah.
But still, if you want just as little as $10 credits, you can just buy from here. Or you can go for a monthly plan where your credits go renewed each month, like 20,000 credits per month. You can opt in for that plan as well. We will be showing more about that. Okay, this is not inside the app right now, but we will include the monthly plan as well. So you can go for a tiny amount each month and just get your credit refilled every month.
Yeah, so we also have a $47 plan, which you can subscribe to, and then you get how many credits, Ankit?
Let me confirm. It's 20,000 credits per month.
Yeah, 20,000 credits for $47 per month if you like to add those. If you're really a video creator and you create a lot of videos, then you can use that as well. And then you're probably also making money with these videos if you create that much videos that you're going to add that.
Tim, you have created a lot of videos. I never assigned you a bundle plan even.
Yeah.
You never ran out of credits. Even you have created so many.
Let me see here. Questions. Can we create videos from our own images? Yes, you will be able to upload your own image in the storyboard as well.
Yeah, and inside the storyboard, when you edit, you have stock media as well. I think we missed that in the generative fill part, Tim.
Okay.
There is a search as well that I added recently.
So when we have the storyboard here, we can do edit media. Here you can upload your own media, or you can go to the stock media. Oh, I didn't show you that indeed. So you can do a car, for example.
And just search.
Yeah, so you can use these images as well. So if you want to have this image, now you can use this image. It's set as default. And now this image will be in your video. And you can generate a video from this as well. And you can also go to edit media and you can upload your own picture. So you can drag and drop your own media in here as well. You can upload your own video. You can upload your own image. You can also upload videos in here. And then you can edit it there. And also, which I haven't showed you yet, is the edit media here. When you edit this media, you can also have the generated fill here. So you could erase parts as well. So if you want to erase certain parts, let's say you want to erase this part here, you can make this brush bigger. You can also say, let's remove this part here, and then click on generate. Then it will remove this extra tail in here from your image. And you can also replace parts here, as you can see here at the left side. See, now it's removed here. And you could also, with generated fill, you can also in paint. So if you want to add something like you want to do a sun in here, you can paint that in here, or you can replace certain parts inside of the editor. And as you can see, every image stays here. It's being saved inside the library. So you still can access the previous image, but you can also have this image and say, hey, set this one to default. And then you can use this image and create a video from this as well. So that's the edit media inside here as well. And which we have also haven't showed here is like the shot editor here, where you can say, I want a bird eyes view, or a close up, or an extreme close up, or a medium shot, or from above, or from below. All these options are in here as well. And then you can regenerate your media in here, and it will generate a new image for you. And also the location, when you click on location, you can say, for example, I want to have this at the landscapes. You can do this in the city, for example, and you could say evening light, and you could say the weather is rainy, for example. It will change the image in here. So that's inside of the shot editor. Let me go here to the bundle page. Okay, let me see what questions, because the chat is long here. Let me scroll here to the bottom. Payment plan. We do not have a payment plan. Let me see here. Do you see questions that needs to be answered on it? White label. Do they buy credits through used to? No, the credits they can purchase in the backend. So that you simply sell the application and they can purchase the credits. If I buy the 247 plan, how much credits do I get per month? You get a one-time credit. So let me actually show it here. You're going to get, the front end comes with how many credits, Ankit?
With the front end or the bundle?
Well, the bundle total credits. That's what somebody is asking.
Bundle, there are 30,000 credits, and if you get the mega bundle, this double ups as 30,000 additional credits. So total in 60.
Okay, so when you go to the checkout, you can see the credits in here. Trying to, oh, the page is slow. Let me try to go to the checkout because it's mentioned on the checkout page. Okay, Ankit. So here, can you answer this question? They get the product here, $297. How many credits are in the $297?
30,000 credits.
30,000 credits, right? That's a one-time credit. 30,000. They will not expire. You get 30,000 credits. And if you purchase the mega bundle, you get an extra 30,000 credits. Am I correct?
Yep.
So that's a total of 60,000 credits. So that's what you're getting. If it's confusing, you get the credits, and the credits is 5 credits for an image rendering. So you go to the application here and you render an image here, or the image that are being rendered. So this is 5 credits. This is 5 credits. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 credits for this video. And if you want to render videos from the existing images, then you're going to pay 100 credits per video. And then you can create these types of videos from the images. But you can also decide to just go with the video, with the image videos, like you're seeing right here. We go to the next screen, and then you can create stories like you just saw for these credits. And here you can see the car.
Valkyrie's eyes are filled with determination. She is ready for the adventure.
And you can also make effects in here, like you can do the transition. You can say, for example, you can do the zoom. Which one is that? The zoom blur. I think this is the one. This one here, look at this. Like now it's also moving here.
She is ready for the adventure.
So you could decide if you want to do image-based videos or video-based videos. What does the lip sync look like? There is no lip sync, to be clear here. There's a voiceover that will be added to the video.
Okay, my password reset is failing. Okay, H Fuller, I'm taking care of that. Just a few minutes.
Sorry?
Someone said in chat the password reset didn't work for him. I'm taking care of it.
Okay. Yeah, we're fixing every. If you have any issues, guys, you can always email us at support@rocketvideos.pro.
And yeah, someone asked in the chat, there is a limitation on the mega bundle. You can just buy it as an add-on. You cannot purchase it later.
Yeah, that's correct. You need, if you want to have the mega bundle, you need to do it right now. Let me see here. Somebody says, I just purchased and I only got 40,000 credits. We'll make sure that you get all the credits that are promised on the page.
Okay, I'm checking that as well. Just forward it to tech team.
And again, make sure you use Rocket VIP and not Rocket 40. Yeah, same. So people are getting 40,000 credit. We're going to fix that, guys. We're going to make sure that your account is topped up.
Okay, I just fixed that. Okay.
No worries about that.
Yeah, I'll be fixing those personally. No
okay.
issues.
No need to reach out? No need to reach out? Okay. Regular bundle does not have commercial for videos. Yes, you get commercial rights for the videos with the regular bundle. If you only want to have the regular bundle, you also get commercial rights. Commercial rights are included. Let me see here. The bonus tab has nothing in it. We will fix that as well. Bonuses will be added there shortly. Oh yeah, we also promised to give away 3 free copies, guys. We're going to do that as well. Good one, Rogers. How long are the videos we create? With the bundle, you will be able to create 10-minute videos, and the mega bundle 15 minutes, Brenda. What about updates to Rocket Videos AI? Will we need to pay additional fees for updates? No. Every update that we do inside of Rocket Videos is included. Do you take care of support for the 50 agency reseller license included? Well, we take care of the support, right, Ankit?
Yes, we do take care of support. Any issue, just raise a support ticket on our support desk and we will take care of that.
Purchase plans are empty. Where the purchase plans are not there yet. You don't need them right now. I don't expect that you go through the credits that quickly. I mean, look at my account, guys. Here. Look, I mean, I still have a lot of credits in my account here, and this was set to 20,000 credits, and I made a lot of projects in here, as you can see. This was set to 20,000, so I made a lot of videos in here that you can see. Let me see here. Do users who purchase the white label solution receive a percentage or commission on the credits? No, the credits is not something that we can share. This is just to pay the cost of the server, guys. Yeah, and honestly, I mean, it's super cheap to have a white label. I mean, it's $247, guys, for the app, the pro version, the elite, everything, and then also included 25 white label licenses. I mean, if we do 247 divided by 25, that's just less than $10 for a reseller account. Plus, you get access yourself, so it's super cheap. And then even the mega bundle is $2 something to sell. I mean, it's super easy to get your money back on that.